What's up you guys, it's your girl Loverlee and I am back with another video. You see the thumbnail and the title. In today's video I'm going to be giving you guys 6 different balloon filler style, just so you don't always have to use the same fillers for all of your balloon decoration, and you have like a variety of different styles to spruce up your balloon garlands or your balloon decoration so they're not always looking the same. But before we get started, I would like to give a big shout out to our sponsor for today's video, Warnsai. So our friends over at Warnsai sent us these lovely products that came just in time for my holiday party this weekend. Let's start with this tablecloth. This is a 6 feet folding table and the tablecloth fits perfectly. Look how beautiful it is. Christmas theme with the snowman, the Christmas tree, and it was good quality too. I was shocked. Perfect quality. Then over here we have some beautiful wrapping papers, all different styles, perfect for the family, which will also help you differentiate what gifts belongs to who. They're super cute. I like that they have different styles, different designs. This one has a gingerbread man, you have some with doggies, you have some more animal printed ones over here. And then you have the Santa Merry Christmas style over here, which is perfect. I just have to say that these wrapping papers were like great quality. They came already cut and ready to go, which saved me a lot of time, and also my hands aren't really straight when it comes to cutting wrapping papers. I always struggle with that. So I love that it was very convenient that the wrapping papers came already cut, sized out, and ready to go. And then over here we have some cupcake toppers that I'm super excited to use tomorrow at my holiday party for my cupcakes. So we have some reindeers, we have the Santa sleigh, stockings, the Merry Christmas ones, Santa hat, Christmas tree, and we have some wreath over here. And I have plenty more to save and use for next year. So super excited about that. These are so cute. Can't wait to use them tomorrow. I also have some plates over here. I have the dinner plates, the cake plates, and some napkins, which I love. I'll be using those tomorrow. They seem like great quality already inside of the pack, like they feel so thick. So can't wait to use those, and this is more than enough cake plates to use tomorrow. Oh my god, this is getting me so excited to see my friends. So over here I have some games that they also sent. Pin the nose on the snowman and pin the nose on the reindeer. So we have the blindfold that comes in the pack and the glue dots to help put it together. So I'm gonna be putting those up on the wall tonight, so I'm all set and ready to go tomorrow. Over here I have some extra products that came in the package. The party is tomorrow, so obviously you can't send out invitation the day before, so I've decided to just keep them until next year when I have more time to send them out. But they're super cute, and seeing this will definitely put you in the holiday spirit and ready to get your party on. So these are like dinosaur Christmas theme wrapping papers that I'll be using for my little cousins and siblings gift this year. Like all of the babies in my family love dinosaurs, so they're gonna be super excited when they see this wrapping paper. Like, come on, super cute. I love it. Thank you again, Warnsai, for sponsoring today's video. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and also leave me some comments in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let's talk balloon fillers. If you guys aren't familiar with the term balloon fillers, they're basically just 5-inch balloons that we use to like fill in all of the loose ends in your balloon garland. They're basically just smaller balloons that we use to hide all of the imperfections in your balloon garland or whatever, and they also add more definition to our balloon garlands. My favorite fillers are the mini balloon quads, when I take 2 pairs of 5-inch balloons and put them together. So these are like the most common balloon fillers, and I know a lot of us use these type of balloon fillers, which I love. They're one of the simplest balloon fillers, so I think that is why most people use them. But over the years, balloon decoration have advanced so much, and every day you go on Instagram or something, you see different styles of balloon decoration. So in today's video, I want to show you guys different type of balloon fillers. So this is our most common one, and I just demonstrated to you guys how to make these. So these are just 5-inch balloons that I inflated to about 2.5 to 3 inches and put them together to make my quad of 4. And you can either use rubber bands or 260s to put them together, but in this video I'm just going to be using a lot of rubber bands. If you guys would like to know how to attach fillers to your balloon garland, I do have a tutorial that I released a couple months ago, so definitely go ahead and check that out. I'll pin it in the comment section, so go ahead, check that out to find different ways to attach your fillers to your balloon garland. So since I already have this made, I'm just going to go ahead and start with it. So I'm taking my rubber band and putting it around the filler and just attaching it to the balloon garland. And I'm gonna go ahead and attach it here. All right, so that is the first balloon filler style, and it's one of the most common balloon fillers. Another common balloon filler that's used are the 3s. So I have 3 5-inch balloons right here that I tied together. These were the first style of fillers that everyone used to use before they started using the quad. And I'm just gonna attach it the same exact way with the rubber band. So I'm taking the rubber band, putting it around the filler. And you do have the option to cut the tails off or not, but they're like ways to hide it, so I don't even worry about it. So the same way, just putting it around my bigger balloons, like I'm just gonna leave it right there. So that is the second style of balloon fillers that are most commonly used. So the third style of balloon fillers is becoming one of my favorite, and I'm sure you guys have seen it all over Instagram when you're looking at people's balloon garlands, and I really love doing it, so I'm gonna show you guys. So for this balloon style, I call it the Garland filler. I don't know if there's another name for it, but I personally call it the Garland filler. And I'm going to be taking 6 to 7 of these quads and attaching them to each other to make like a garland. And that is considered another style of balloon filler, which is very new and it's starting to become a little bit common. I really love using it on some of my decoration. I don't think it fit every style of balloon garland, or for some theme, I just don't think it fit for every event, but a lot of event I'm starting to really love using these type of fillers. So I just attach those 2, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach, like, I don't know if I want to use 6 or 7 quads yet, but I normally use up to 7 quads. Whenever I'm making the garland fillers, I like to inflate my quads a little smaller than if I am doing this. If you compare this quad to one of these quads, these are way smaller, and I do that because I do want my garland not to be too big. I don't know, it just looks better when the balloons are smaller, and that is why I do it like that. All I'm doing is attaching it by the neck, just tying it. You can also use 260s or fishing line to make the garland as if you're making like a regular balloon garland, but like a mini type. But I like to just tie it by the neck. So see, it's becoming like a little garland already. Very cute. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this was 5 quads, so I think I'm just gonna add 1 more. And now I have 6 quads. And I like the length of this one, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off right here. You can add more, you can make it as long as you want. You can make it like 10 feet long if you desire. But I like this length because I just wanna add it to the cluster up there. And I'm also going to be using rubber bands to attach this. I'm gonna be using rubber band to attach the top first, and then use another rubber band to attach. And the thing with these fillers, you can bend them whenever you're adding it around your garland. You can bend it, like it's very flexible. Like you don't have to just put it on straight like this. You can curve it a little bit, give it some character, you know what I'm saying? So don't be boring with it, just have fun with it because it's art. Balloon decoration is art, and you can do whatever you want with it. So as I said earlier, I'm gonna be using rubber bands to attach my mini garland filler to my balloon garland, and I'm going to be adding 1 to the top and 1 to the bottom. So I have that one up there, and you can have fun with it. You can curve it this way, or you can curve it this way, whichever way you desire, or you can just make it straight. So I'm just gonna put my rubber band around it, and I think I want to curve it over there, like right there. So I'm just gonna put this around the bigger balloon. And I like it like that, so I'm gonna leave it. Alright you guys, so the 4th balloon filler style I would like to show you is more advanced. Not as common, but like it's convenient when needed. So just imagine you have all of your balloon colors, but not all of the sizes. You have your 16-inch, your jumbos, your 11 inches, but you can't find the 5-inch colors anywhere. So sometime last year or the year before, I'm not too sure, but I just know that it was like in the middle of the pandemic. We couldn't get all the colors and sizes that we needed. So someone, I think her name is Mauve on Instagram, not really sure, but definitely go check her out if I'm wrong, or leave it in the comment section if I'm wrong. She came up with this new way to make balloon fillers using 11-inch balloons. And it was like one of the most creative things I've seen in a very long time. It was very convenient, especially because we could not get a lot of balloon colors and sizes that we needed at the time. But what she did was take 2 11-inch balloons and made a quad filler, just like the first one that I demonstrated, but she used 11-inch balloons. So I have an 11-inch balloon right here, and all you do is like release air. So I'm gonna just leave it at this size, but just make sure that it's like real squishy. Make sure that it's very soft. Like do it until you can touch the palm of your hand with your fingers through the balloon, like that, right? And tie it. So now I have 2 of these. Here's my balloon, very soft. Make sure that it's soft because that is key. You're basically splitting it in half. So it looks like this. It looks like 2 5-inch balloons, but it's really just 1 11-inch balloon. You repeat the same step for the other 11-inch balloon. So now I have my pair, just like the first filler that I demonstrated, and now we're just gonna wrap these 2 together. And now I have my filler, my quad right here. Y'all, tell me that was not convenient. And most of the times you don't even have to worry about buying a pack of 5-inch balloons if you have enough 11-inch. You could just use this as your filler, like come on now. So convenient. So convenient, so creative. Yeah, she did that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach this to my garland the same way I did my other ones, using rubber bands. But we just gonna leave that one right there. Like, look how good it look, y'all. Like, look how good it look. All right, so for my fifth style, it has something to do with the last one that I just did, but it's basically like combining two styles together. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right now. Okay guys, so for my fifth style, I'm gonna be combining two filler styles that I've already used, which is the 3 and the quad made out of 11-inch balloons, and I'm going to be combining them to create one filler style. I'm going to use a 260 balloon to attach these together. And this right here, you guys, is another style of balloon filler. And because I already have a 260 attached to this, I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the balloon garland by tying the 260 around one of my larger balloons on the garland, one of those 11 inches. And you guys are more than welcome to play around with it until you get the look that you're going for. But that is another style of filler that I'm really digging. But for my last filler style, it's pretty easy. It's just taking two quads and putting them together to make like a chunky little balloon filler. Okay, you guys, so for the sixth and final style for today's video, I'm gonna be combining two quads to make a chunky balloon garland filler. It will look something like this. I really like these fillers. I've been using them, not a lot, but I've been using them. Sometimes it's needed. Sometimes when you have like a big space to fill in your garland, these fillers are the best to use. So I'm just gonna be wrapping them together, like probably 3 or 4 times. And now I have this chunky little filler right here. Also going to be using rubber band to attach that. Same thing, just wrapping it around the filler and putting this hoop around the 11-inch balloon. And there you have it, you guys, 6 different style of balloon fillers that you can use in your next balloon arrangement. Please let me know down in the comment section if you guys enjoyed this video, if it was helpful, did you learn something new? I want to know everything in the comment section down below. Also, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and a big shout out again to the sponsor for today's video. Make sure that you check out the shop link down in the description box below. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video, and I'll definitely catch y'all in my next one. Bye. Anyways, so for my 5th, which is the 5th one? 1, 2,